like a Hellcat.
Hi friends, welcome back to my next video. In this video I am going to show you that how to do twisted peak pattern. So before going to learn it, we have to know the basic notations. See, from right side clockwise R, anti-clockwise Ri, from left side clockwise L and anti-clockwise Li, from upside clockwise U, anti-clockwise Ui, from downside clockwise D and anti-clockwise Di, from back side clockwise B and anti-clockwise Bi. So let's start doing twisted peak pattern. The algorithm for this is I have written in the description. So the algorithm for this is F Bi U F U F U L B L L Bi U F I L U L I B. See friends, we got twisted peak pattern. Okay friends, thank you. Consider subscribing for more videos.